Here's another recipe in the off-road cooking series. This is a really easy dessert. The kids will love it and you don't need a fridge. So give it a try and let us know what you think. Take your banana and you split it. You almost cut an opening in the top. You pull the peel out. If you don't do this, the filling is not gonna soak into the banana and give everything the taste. You've now mushed up a little bit. The next thing is chocolate. So I'll put that can balance over there. So you take the chocolate and you stick it into the banana. I would probably just fill it with cinnamon and sugar because I really like cinnamon, but I think this gives it a different flavor. The other thing is, if you've got Nutella, you could spoon Nutella into the banana as well. The next thing is marshmallows. Put a marshmallow there, a marshmallow there. That's going to be put into the fire for about 15 minutes on medium heat, and it gets soft very quickly. You don't take it out of the skin, otherwise it just is a mush. And again, make sure you know which is up. So you wrap it. Turn the corners in, so that we will put on the fire at. So now for the big reveal. The banana cooked for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. It's really soft, and there's your dessert. It smells amazing, I must say. That's all marshmallow, and as you open it, you'll see just the soft banana with chocolate. It's really amazing. Hope you enjoy it.